Imagine for a second how incredibly big the universe is. Now, think of something so strong and destructive that not even light can get away from it. This is the famous black hole. What if one of these cosmic monsters was on a crash course with our planet? What would happen if Earth got hit by a black hole? Get ready, because what you're about to find out might be scarier than any science fiction movie. Space holds unimaginable secrets. Among them, black holes, forces of nature so destructive that they challenge all the laws of physics we know. But what would happen if Earth was unlucky enough to cross paths with a black hole? That's what we're going to explore today. Buckle up for a journey into the unknown. First, we need to understand what a black hole really is and how it acts in the universe. These mysterious objects have fascinated scientists and astronomers for decades, and their behavior continues to intrigue us. Black holes are astronomical objects that are incredibly dense. They can pull in everything that crosses their event horizon, even light. This means that once something gets too close, there's no turning back. One way black holes form is from the explosion of massive stars. When a star runs out of fuel, it can no longer support itself against gravity, leading to a dramatic collapse. The result? A point in space with such strong gravity that not even light can escape. Now imagine a black hole getting closer to our solar system, bringing an uncertain future. You probably wouldn't see anything right away. After all, light can't escape it, making it practically invisible. This invisibility makes black holes even more enigmatic and dangerous. But the signs of its presence would be devastating and impossible to miss. The gravitational pull would start to affect nearby celestial bodies, causing noticeable disturbances. Even before it directly hit us, we'd feel the effects of a black hole from millions of miles away, disrupting the cosmic order. The delicate balance of our solar system would be thrown into chaos. Planets would be thrown out of their orbits like cosmic billiard balls, creating a scene of chaos. The once predictable paths of planets would become erratic and dangerous. Earth would definitely not be spared from this chaos and would be deeply affected. The gravitational forces would wreak havoc on our planet. Our orbit would change, causing catastrophic imbalances in the global climate and the planet's stability. The very foundation of our environment would be shaken. Now, as the black hole gets even closer, its extreme gravity would start to stretch our planet in a phenomenon called spaghettification. This term might sound whimsical, but the reality is far from it. That's right, Earth would literally start to stretch like a rubber band, with a brutal force acting on the side facing the black hole, causing extreme deformation. The immense gravitational pull would create a nightmarish scenario. Oceans would start to rise in massive columns of water. Entire continents would crack, and the Earth's crust would shatter. The very foundation of our planet would be torn apart. Volcanoes would erupt in an apocalyptic symphony, spewing lava and ash into the sky. The atmosphere would be choked with volcanic debris. The Earth's surface would turn into a living hell, with flames and destruction everywhere. Fires would rage uncontrollably, consuming everything in their path. For humans, this would mean the total collapse of cities, the destruction of essential infrastructure, and the breakdown of society as we know it, and the end of life as we know it, a mass extinction event. The remnants of human civilization would be nothing but deserted wastelands. In the end, the black hole would consume Earth completely, marking the end of our planet. This cosmic event would be the final chapter in Earth's history. But the real end is yet to come, an unavoidable fate that draws near every second. As we drift closer, the immense gravitational pull of the black hole becomes more and more inescapable. When Earth reaches the event horizon, the point of no return for a black hole, it would be the final moment, the peak of our cosmic journey. This boundary marks the edge of the black hole's influence, beyond which nothing can escape. To anyone watching from afar, it would look like time slowed down as our planet slowly vanished into the darkness, a spectacle of time dilation. This phenomenon occurs because the gravitational field is so strong that it warps the fabric of space-time itself. But for those of us here on Earth, the reality would be much more terrifying, a nightmare beyond comprehension. The sky would darken, and the stars would appear to swirl around us as we are pulled in. Inside the event horizon, the laws of physics as we know them cease to exist, creating an environment of absolute chaos. Space and time become distorted, and the very concept of reality starts to break down. Gravity would be so strong that even the atoms that make up your body would be stretched and squeezed in opposite directions, a process known as spaghettification. This extreme tidal force would tear apart everything in its path. By this point, all of Earth's matter would be transformed into pure energy, absorbed by the black hole, leaving nothing but darkness. We would be completely annihilated, leaving no trace behind. The remnants of our existence would be forever lost in the infinite void. Now, of course, this is all hypothetical, but the question remains, could we escape? Some scientists believe that if we saw the black hole early enough, we could try a mass evacuation of the planet, maybe sending spaceships to other star systems. But even then, could humanity survive the extreme conditions outside of Earth? The answer remains uncertain. What we know for sure is that once inside a black hole, there's no coming back. Everything that enters ceases to exist as we know it. Luckily, black holes capable of destroying Earth are far out of our reach, at least for now. However, science continues to explore these possibilities, seeking to better understand the universe and the dangers it may hold. And in the meantime, we continue to dream and speculate about what the future may hold. As we advance our technology and knowledge, we might one day find ways to protect ourselves from such cosmic threats. Until then, we remain vigilant, ever curious about the mysteries of the universe. The universe is vast, mysterious, and in many ways merciless. Black holes are a reminder of how much we still have to learn and how fragile we are in the face of cosmic forces. The chance of a black hole hitting Earth may be small, but it reminds us that in space, there's much more than meets the eye, and not everything is under our control. Black holes are incredibly complex structures that require further study in the field of astronomy. They come in different sizes and shapes and have varying regions of influence. The vastness of the universe and the complexity of black holes challenge us to keep exploring and learning, always aware of our smallness in the face of the cosmos. The more we study, the more we realize how much there is yet to discover. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep exploring the mysteries of the universe, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what you think would happen to Earth if it ever encountered a black hole. There are many more shocking curiosities coming your way. Until next time, and stay curious. The universe is vast and full of wonders, and we have only scratched the surface of what we know. So, keep your eyes on the stars and your mind open to the endless possibilities. Remember, every discovery starts with a question. What will you discover next? Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and being curious.